I put a big pile over here and adding to it. And I was gonna wait until July 4th, but I guess July 3rd is close enough. So there's the bonfire in Bonfire. Woo! Good one. I was hoping he'd do it later, but these guys set it on. But I built that thing. So I still got my bonfire building techniques. Yeah. That's my place over there. And there's the bonfire. And we got a guy with a monkey up in the tree. Right over here. Yeah. We got another guy over here. He's hanging out. Hey, monkey boy. How you doing? Don't get too close, right? Not too close, right? Because they can go back. They can come at you. Yeah, they told me, like, stay back. I know I'm going to stay back. Look at this guy. He's checking out. He's eating. So they got another monkey up that tree over there. All the way up. He's getting stuff there. He's been dropping coconut stems away, baby. There's my July 4th bonfire on July 2nd. It is what it is. Look at he's lounging. Monkey's butt. He's checking out his buddies doing his work. I did that the other day and he leaned over at me and gave me a hiss noise. There's another one. There's the other guy came down the tree. I didn't see him. He's gonna go up this one next, I think. Or is he done for the day? I guess he's done. So we got a few coconuts, enough to fill the basket, I guess. Enough to fill the basket and call it quits for Friday. Done, huh? Ready for the ride. And he's picking up the coconuts, taking what's good, leaving behind what's no good. Yep, now they got to pick them up, put them in the cart, take off with the monkeys. Or maybe they're going to put them in the pickup truck. What's cool is the guy that was getting all the coconuts together, he offered me 2. I took 1. And I thought that was pretty nice. Yeah, I think they're worth about 14 baht a piece, I think. I don't know how much he makes on them, but it's all good.